trusted, sustained, adjusted. Certainly it fooled me, ridiculed me, left me hanging. Now shit's boomeranging right back at ya. Big long range, narrow-minded, left me blinded. I co-signed it, shit backfired, but I'm bouncing back. I grind it, now many would bear the pressure. You comprehend me, you want to end me, you offend me. It's drama, feel the trauma, come with me. Yeah, come with me. Don't be afraid. Yeah, come with me. I close my eyes and I see you standing there. I cry tears of sorrow. I die. Yeah. Fuck my enemies, fuck my foes. Damn these hoes, you're stepping on my toes. Back up off me, take your hands off me. Give me room to breathe. I'm not hearing it, I'm not fearing it. I'm up to my ears in it. Bullshit, I'm destructive. Some women find that seductive. Some say it's lunacy. Reluctantly, I've been moving on. I ignore you, sorry if I bore you. I neglect you, don't mean to disrespect you. Can't you see? I love you dearly, and not sincerely, but you annoy me, you can't avoid me. I'm here to stay forever and ever in a day that's never. I can't let you go, I can't forget it. Why you did it? I won't permit it, I won't acquit it. I wanna fight you, I fucking bite you. Can't stand nobody like you. You can't run, you can't hide. No surprise, close your eyes, come with me. Yeah, come with me. Come with me. Ow. Yeah, I like this. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Turn me up. I need you to turn me up. Yeah. 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 Come on now. Yeah. Hear my cries, hear my call, let me your ears. You ready now? Come on, check this out. Hear my cries, hear my call, let me your ears. I wanna get this right, I wanna get this right, baby. Hear my cries, hear my call, let me your ears. See my fall, see my errors, know my faults. Time halts, see my loss, know I'm lacking. Not tracking where I met you, pistol packing. Itchy finger, trigger happy. Try to trap me, fan rap. Wiretap me, backstab me, break the faith, fall from grace. Tell me lies, time flies. Close your eyes, come with me, come with me.